alongside Lawrence for tonight, alongside Mr. Cass and Mr. Isha Williams. Both teams ready, line up, be hunted. Thank you, please. Love you.
Yeah, man. Live already.
Everybody, Stanley Football Association Championship Final, please rise half of bleachers. Show our Belize anthem a big respect. Stand up for Belize national anthem. Everybody, everybody, everybody. Introduction. Diver.
We have Gilbert Roof Suazo, Brenton Garcia. We also have Kieran Thomas. We also have Jalen Sabal, Evan Mariano, Devin Bermudez. That's the starting lineup for the Mighty Brigade Conquerors. Starting for the champions from the open road, we have Erwin Bird Flores Jr., Brendan Olivas, Erickson Clark, Thomas Palacio, Ryan Guzman, Giant Agustin, Kevin Jr., Cameron Yolanda, Kieran Castillo, Nigel Lillo, Mark Ellis Jr. Tonight, sponsor, courtesy, Backspeed Customs Design. We also have the Stanley District Football Association, Belize Football Federation. Tonight game features SG Ballers against the Mighty Brigade Conquerors. We take it upstairs for play-by-play by Rod Allen and Big Man Reverend Forrest. I assign with Danny Buckley. Rocky, take over.
Yes, thank you very much. Big Bad Bees. Marshall, this is Ty Fogger from the radio station introducing to you our commentators for tonight's show. It's going to be a big pack show. All the way from Tobacco Key. He's not here with us from Benton City. You call him. He is Auntie Shirley's son, the late Auntie Shirley and Yo Fetty. He is a living legend. He is a footballer, a commentator. He is a messenger of the sports. We call him Big Bad Rufus Glory.
Thank you, Morris, for that welcoming and introduction inside Daifa 91.7 Calgary Stadium here tonight at the being live championship finals.
We're still waiting for the youngest MC, but special requests and special guest commentator. One of us from the South Coast Raw platform, the podcast, the biggest podcast in Belize, taking sperm. He is from the National Bus Company of Belize. He runs from Toledo to Corozal. He is a living legend. He is one of us. We call him Crown Watch me, take it away.
Thank you very much, Maurice. Big bang rugged jet on the camera, free quick some yards away from the 18-yard box. Can Silvergrass Ballers put this one away. The big bad easy Giga Conquerors. Been there, done that over 12 times. So we know what it takes to be a champion. Fighting off the chest from the defender. Go for it. Yes, all of my life. Gilbert the hook to us up. Put them on the ball. Go for it. Mariano. And Mariano. Put them on the line. Go for it. Goalkeeper. Losing from 4. Silvergrass ball. The ball is that touch on the chest. Burn. Control. Press, go back. Display. Sadaran, put this one into play. So, okay. Yes, that's Maxime. Sadaran, on the attack. Was walking. Silvergrass Ballers. Easy Greek of Conquerors just in there. Great tax, great battle. Great sex. And Silvergrass Ballers, they're just in their purple battle. They're going for it. It's a championship. Goes in the season, first division. The winner goes along with Silvergrass to the first division. Big ball.
Thank you. The live band going to be there for the Ballers from Silvergrass. The Ballers from Silvergrass, defending champions. They want to open the tournament. They want to go back to back the closing. But these two teams are running inside every beat and district. But tonight we need a champion. We need a champion tonight. Man, going to be a free kick there for Silvergrass Ballers. They are attacking. So at the Conquerors team against the Conquerors. The Ballers from Silvergrass. Center them now, top of the 18 box. Ball. They're still in top of the 18 box. Going for it. Came out there by the Conquerors. Intercepting on the chest. Man, going to be the Silvergrass Ballers. Representing foul against Conquerors. Yes. What's the football for the car? They are playing a nice game. Take care of your opponent. Play a nice game. It's going to be hard. Carl Ramos Stadium. On a Thursday night, holiday tomorrow. Carl Ramos Stadium, the weekend start here tonight. They beat us back from the south to the north. I mean. Referee Alexander the World Lorry, the man in the middle, believes FFB, white free kick. Gonna be there for the Ballers. Dangerous time. Silvergrass Ballers early inside the first half. After the second game, this is the finals. The road to the FFB Interdistrict. We need a champion. We need a champion. Two teams are ready into the FFB. But kicks it out. Trying to find Mariano. Yes, they were telling early. Remember, tell him that we will cast a champion. Our Conquerors, running, said for the mic. Now we let cast a champion, but cast them for a different team. All about football. Silvergrass, big, the Ballers, goalkeeper. Brenton Garcia Jr. It's going to be a hard fight. It's going to be a hard fight. Brenton Garcia kicks it up there for Conquerors. The final, Massive, one thing. They also in Birmania, Malakai, Alberto, inside Riga Mandala. Anything? Yes. The striker team, defend out the rebound, defend out the goalkeeper, right there. Defend back arrow, right there. I see it. Ball in control, back inside, play up, play good night for the car. Ball inside, ball Everything goes close, but the game is on. Live on Daifa, 91.9 girls from the station. Good night to everybody who locked in, outer world, all over the world. We are here tonight from Danbridge, legend with Carl Ramos Stadium, Stanford Football Association, Murphy Rogan, the big bad, Frank Akin Mandaleo.
Rolling is fast and furious. Let's see who will have legs to finish this one in 90 or 12 minutes. You have to be in a shape, have to work out. And I will tell you, the Conquerors are ready for anything. But the Silvergrass, they're defending, they're ready to let's come and give them an attack for the right to get the goal. Bring something on the defender. Go for it. Go to that one in the air. Go for it. Then the pass on one. Deflect. Taken away there by Stephen. Then the pass on one. Go for it. On the run. That's it. Control. Back and forth. So it's for the touch. Still that's one. That's for 91.7 FM live. Female live as well. We go to the folks on the diaspora. Yes, we're waiting. You're following. You want to know. We're going to go live. We're here. We're here. We're going to the championship. Yes, we're like. We're here.
Yes, saving the best. He is the youngest. He is one of Puff's grandson. He is going to be the 6th-tier commentator in Double. We are demanding security from Puffy in Double. He is the youngest MC in the world. We call him Wadani Pucky Reyes.
Yes, I thank God and thank the Diver staff. Yes, Rocket, bring up yourself after we do it. Find out, Bobby McGoki, not Breakdown Garcia. In full bird. We might give you a concord. Big gate kind here from goalkeeper Breakdown Garcia. Silgas in the play, head up for Silgas NG. Ballard, Roof Control. Bowing off the field for who? Trevor Moss. Bowing me, throwing for who? Defend the champion, Silgas NG. Ballard. Rock tonight. Big up the Park Fest committee, right? Yeah, big up the Park Fest committee, right? Yeah. Silgas NG. Kankaran, 4. My referee take care of things out there. Alexander, World, Glory. Bobby Boo. Kankaran, free kick. 0-0. Who did the kick? Obi and Mariano. Big kick. Hello, Marcel Grant. Kankaran, bring it back, give it the whole to Assault. Give it the whole, bring it back to Trevor. Mount, last kick, last 10 times. Bobby Mahu, Kankaran. Silgas, NG, Bird. Big kick for Bird, man. 1-5, back on the run. Drop on Mahu. Bowing off the field, Bobby Mahu. Kankaran. Bring it back to the general. Ball. Russell Castillo. Bowing off the field by Mark. Bobby are trying for the right to bring that Kankaran. Photo take that to up. AJ Buck Estero. Bring it in with the play. David Serrano. David. Ball. Bring it back to Bastian Sorella. Bring it back to Gilbert the hook. Gilbert Hope. Bring it back. Lord is there about it out the field. Turn it off and Kankaran to Aver. Still grass. 1-5 job. Rock on Mahu. Factor.
No walk in the park, Walani. No walk in the park for nobody here tonight. You gotta work. The championship final, we need a champion. Both teams going to the Interlist different being. Interlist, but we need a champion tonight, but no walk in the park. Taking away what the other part is, live on Diaper, 91.7 California. Radio station streaming live from inside Dan Grieger, Carl Stadium on a Thursday night.
Bobby Boo. Mighty Grieger Kankaran. Bring it back. Kankaran. Bring it back to David. Big kick. Go back to Silgas. NC. Balance. Silgas. 4. Maris. Take your thing. Alex. Well, Glory. Bring your family here. Let's work my shit. It's done tonight. When coming up, yeah, me, and then I'm here. Me and Scott, let's go Brazil. Bobby Mahu, Kankaran, David, David, bring back together the whole force. Conquerors. Make it. Conquerors on the road. From a massive ground. Power off the field. While we watching for who? Mighty Greek Conquerors. Broken.
As we begin to learn, good night everybody, live into legendary Carver Stadium and round to some DJ Bozo. Also with Gaifa, 91.7 season live worldwide. Everybody locked in worldwide, beating Willow Dan Brigade. Carver Stadium there. We're running the big band on the main line alongside. But that is from Achi, the co-owner of this platform called Gaifa is here, I die. We are here along with the cameraman. Done. Balling, controlling, going for it. This is a nil-nil ball game. The ball went off the field of the western touchline. Throwing going to be there for Silgrass. Silgrass ballers. The ball went off the field from the Conquerors. Russell. Throwing going to be for number 8 for Silgrass ballers. Wonderful turnout here tonight. And it's going to be a Labor Day weekend. Throwing going to be there for Silgrass ballers. Live. Intercepted ball going to be there for Conquerors. Bring back inside the 18 back clears up big. Intercepted inside the middle. Ball high. Conquerors clears up big. Everyone Mariano is a big kick outside. Ball on the run. Intercepted. Going for it. Bassi. Wonderful try. Wonderful work. Bassi. He went up there again. Bassi was like the play Bassi. Conversion play ball. Still Conquerors. Tonight going to be hard. We're going to fight tonight. Certainly the car ran out intercepted. Ball going to give him a ball. Conquerors take control. Conquerors. Russell. Bring it back. Ball comes to back over the ball. Double foul out the front of the line. Intercepted Erickson Clark. Erickson Clark. The ball on the other team. Erickson Clark says ball! Pushing forward from the hand. Pushing back Erickson Clark. Ball on the for Silgrass ballers. From a tree. Magdaleno. Take it away.
Thank you very much, bro. The fast and furious. Yes, man, here from Argentina, by the referee, Alexander. Stay in your back, focus. You look for the man in the middle. Yeah, the ball back, yeah. Just start moving. Again, inside the center. Why? You are afraid. But it's after the feet, you are afraid. Little ball game inside. The first half of this one, it's a championship. First, you win a championship easy. You got Conquerors, you win slow. What about against Silgrass ballers? Nil-nil. It's what Booty Dog looking for.
Best defense last season. Mark.
Thank you, Frank Achieve, Madalena, Bobby Food.
Let's go, baby. Let's roll it.
Free kick. Free kick will bring up a big kick. Mariano. Breathe in. Breathe in. Control. Burn. You're not going to breathe in. Bow up.
Why?
We're not going to David. Big kick.
Shot.
Off the field, walk it first. Defending champion, Silver SG, balance. This is the final game. One time. Bobby move, Silver, big kick. Fato. Big kick for Fato.
Vai, Mariano, sei.
Number 4. Big kick on the right.
That didn't work.
Join her. Rita, Kaka, Golasso. You are going to come here again. Get it. Fato take the two. Mark, bring it back. Fato. Bring it back to Bird. Bring it back. Cat. Big kick for Cat. Rock over Javon. Move. Evan Mariano. Big kick. Off the field. Bobby to him for who? Defend the champion. Still ground. Bird. Bring it back. Still ground. SG. Balance. Still ground. SG. Centered. Nigel. Off the field. Walk it. Bird. Bite the green and conqueror. Broken.
Thank you, Yolanda. We're live inside the legendary Carl Ramos Stadium on a Thursday. Everybody, good night, Labor Day weekend. Read to the SCFA, Stamp Creek Football Association, First Division, Championship Final, Evan Mariano, Conquerors, all in green, red, yellow, and green. They attacking that, defending the south. Ball gonna be for the ball, silver ballers. Two teams are running inside of the beat of the silver. Tonight we need a champion. The first to play ball. Last year, one of the Conquerors. Conquerors take control. Intercepting there. Silver grass. Ballers. They got to go off the field. It's gonna be a broken game first. The ballers then. From Silvergrass. Silvergrass ballers. Last year, to legendary. How we think ballers look? Where are we going? Corazal?
Board up.
We're going to board at all?
Not today.
Good night.
Once we come in here, we need to, yes. Real. Tiger Sharks. We gonna play the game. We got pressure right now. We have to beat Corazal. Come back home.
Kyle.
Kyle up here. We're gonna rub on it after this game is done. Now going back for the green ballers, got the team now. Back when they get the Western touch. First with the big bag, from a team, but on the party, time for 91.7 streaming live. Back with the big Muslim man, and the Emilio for the grass, so now we have the field. Referee, Alexander World, also throwing in the lead for Conquerors, Boras, football Federation Interdistrict. We're going to see that tonight. We have the distribution award. And I'm going to honor the league master later on after the game. Albert and Lee Marshall for the whole night and deliver all the awards. Showing the DJ for us to that bottom, inside the middle. Bird. Deflected off. Conquerors. Devin. Showing the DJ for Save World Ballers. Live into the legendary car, Ramos still on Thursday night, Labor Day weekend. Rock this up, DJ, with the sheep tennis here. Sheep tennis here. Harlem Beat is here, Vida is here. Look, we have one more car, Ramos. As the left player. High speed boy, Mike. Quick taxi. Silvana, River.
Boy.
You put no wood, boy.
Estero. Book is gonna be there for. It's gonna be there for the bars. Live. Good night, everybody. Dice for 91 customers to the Los Angeles Caracas Stadium on a Thursday night. We are here. You are here.
I am here. You are here.
Whatever I do for young and old, check your vendors, go to the bar. Kids are here. Follow the time. Sports bring everybody together. Happy Labor Day weekend. Inside, Don Greener. See Ross, the balance, insulating back balance. I can see one of them try. I'll give a lead try for that. Yes, a lead percentage, but the ball went off of the field. Over the crossbar, out to the park. Goalkeeper gonna be there for Garasso, easy investment. Beat the Conquerors. Bill, Silver's ballers, Bill. Champions in final first half of game 2 earlier. Penalty shootout. Graveyard ballers 1 in penalty shootout. A 3. A 3. Oh, alright. I got it. Alright.
Thank you very much. Big back around here. Remember, tonight we want up here. Run from here to Divana, Stafari, Sweet Pea, Vietnam.
You want to tonight? Yeah.
And Harlem Youth. Remember, we like family affair on Thursday night. No school, no work tomorrow.
Public and bank
holiday.
Labor Day.
I'm grateful to read.
Labor Day.
It's Labor Day. We are in the live from inside the legendary Mariano Stadium on a Thursday night. The champion, the opening champion, still got followers with him on his Bobby for Mark. Hey, come on, kid. Oh, when the flavors are alright, no, nil. First half, championship matchup, right? Carl good. 3,009, 1,000 second place. Third place, receive 500 cash. We let our credit card out here tonight. Cash! Yeah! Bobby Moo, Gangaran, Breakdown, Garcia. Big hit highly up and go to Breakdown, Garcia, Garcia. Blue control, Bobby Moo. Blue control. Really? What they give him go? Out the line from Mariano. Caramos, why we love this. With the live on Dice for the face side. Bobby, you are throwing for a hole. Silver, this is the champion. 12 teams, they're going to enter the street. Brilliant. Hold. Bring down. Dangerous. Brilliant. Bobby, a free kick for a hole. Defending champion. Silver, the cheap ball. Bring up first team. Bring up. Graveyard Fire crew. What? You got 500?
Wait. When Danny, what's your play, man? Come in.
Why? Silver.
What's your play, man?
Come on the back.
Yes, man.
Why? Get outside. Lily, first off. Still got the main champion. Still got your boy. Russell Castillo. Pick it for Russell Castillo. Bawat out of him, I'll be able to still got. Breathing. Breathing. Mark. 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 Sit down, Mark. Big kick out the line. Hey. Probably I'll show you guys. They're going to let you balance number 4. We'll take the 2 up. Number 4, take the 2 inside the box. Rule control. Bobo. Bobo. 18 buck Estero. 18 buck. 18. Hold. I want to hit. I want to feel. Get both the head up yard. Yes, they respect that. The guy don't know his break down. 18 buck Estero. But I will be for who? Come on. Look at so. Pearson. Well, big up the league by Woodland. President that. Kevin Bola Flores. Why can't you have him in the league by? Why? Carabas with a good Cardinal. Why? Tomorrow is holiday and live here. But Paquet will knock me inside. Bring up. Got that FMB scared out. Now 3K wing police and $7. Rocky!
I love that because I hear you. One game when everybody alright. Gambit?
Gambit.
Gambit got you, huh? Gambit is carefully over there, right? I love that. I know you're on commentator. I love that. Alright, good night. Inside, Neil Bargain, Sacred Ballers Dill, Conqueror Dill. The team inside the grey uniform, attacking south. They take control, Conqueror Dill take control when they come to attack. Step on, Mouse, take control Mouse. Why? Somebody, control Conqueror. Champions of final first half of game 2. Back in the balance. Nigel in the leader. Nigel. Clears out the Conquerors take control. Russell. Leader Conquerors back on the attack. Right into legendary. I'm going to be able to Conquerors pushing up. Sacred balance. Back in control inside the midfield. Wide push on the western touch.
Mark, Mark.
Now going to be for Mark. Bring it back in the middle.
Breathe in.
Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. No one got breathe in left. I don't know. When I make breathe in, hold the ball for long. Breathe in. I always look at the team. Now, a few want to hold breathe in every time you hold the ball. So the coach will say, well, man, for what's that? Anytime breathe in, hold the ball. 2 black cards, 1 go ball. Yes. The last one is going to make passes. Balance again. Live into the crowd, almost stayed up. Thursday night, everybody making real live. We bring it to you. I'm on the song DJ Bushu. The volume control, no one is there. All alone is Mouse. Bring it back to you. Yeah, man. Back to give it to Swasso. Swasso white foot. Fato. Conquerors, Fato. Kicks it up, Fato. Smart defense. And these will really well, they props.
Always.
Not on the field, when I see our personnel, I need to salute him.
Fato?
Fato. Is it good, son?
Nah, big yard.
Yes. Alright. Last one. He's a smart wonderful Thursday night. We start the weekend here. Fourth spring everybody tonight. Going to the Western Dutch. American Airways, the big man. Like Explorers, Yolanda, one of the package from the tree. Taifa. Girls from the radio station. Steven Live on Taifa. Marlon and the Western Dutch about half the feet from Silgrass. Going to be the for Conquerors. Third place, champions. They will have no one. Right? They don't do that. That's a wonderful day when they have to. Nobody wants to win and enjoy this. Everybody wants to see this going on. We're not going to be here, Hopkins will be here. So everything done from Colorado. They were just watch or lose it. Back on the board, Silver Stars there, tackling inside me. Inside, Fanto, right foot, goalkeeper. Franco Garcia Jr. easily collects the ball. Nobody wants to know right now. You see inside the first game, you got to shoot out. You're like the NBA. Nobody wants to know. Why? Nobody wants to know the NBA. While inside the 18 max, take some game. Sit back, balance, they take control. Why they still touch it? The balance, break the back. This is the championship fight. This is the championship fight that kicks it up. Ball on the run. Kills up the Evan Mariano. Intercepted Braden. Braden want to pull it down. Right now, they got nobody around him. Nobody coming around him. There's still nothing to do. We don't know that two men are coming for Braden. Man of free, the ball went off the field. Go kick. Gonna be there, Frank Tree ready. Magdaleno, we are next. We are here. Live on Daifa. 91.7. Everybody locked into us. We're streaming live the whole world. Locked in. At Colorado Stadium here tonight, the whole world. Daifa is here. Daifa is here. Get it for them. Radio station. Gathering. Going on there.
Thank you very much, Big Bad Rebel Goalkeeper. Mariano, smart, pass around to the ring. Ready, in control. Pass around to Fato. That's it, you bring up your man. Smart, we're really, that's written. Yes, number 10, and 2, number 7, and we got both teams know what it takes to be a champ, but usually the conqueror has been there, done that 12 times. Back.
Two teams already inside the game. But we need a champion tonight. We need a champion.
For the intervention is automatically blown. Back out the boot, but back with that one. First and first, alone. We did back to the hook into the river. The touch there. To win the ball. The center corners. Nil ball game will have no doubt for them. Giving the folks on the line. Yes, watching, curious, nervous, something up in your feet. But it's a nil ball game. Go for it. They've been tuned that one. To the tournament. And see. And truly. And attack. Brings up this one today. In the middle of 4. The last one. They have that. And those one that lose the cup. So they put this one inside. And do the field. But after the field. Working.
I see you. When we left from here, we don't warm up.
Ready for the Ghana.
When we left from here,
when we leave from here, we will warm up.
Ready
to see Ghana, see King, Gina Bass, Alan Hughes. We don't want fire. Ready.
Actually, we are running at Ghana. Road. We are road. Rugged.
Warm up.
We are warm. We do warm up.
Warm up fire, man.
Rugged. They say, when they get ball, make the wall and got the chop the game. And they got the ball and the ball up and ball before the girl get the ball on the run. But when after the field, ball be at 2, you can make the green and catch around. Happy Thursday, everybody. Long holiday. Labor Day. Tomorrow.
Holiday.
Everybody who going to agree, take care of the road, right? Drive safe, right? Yeah, because you know, I don't agree with people. But if you Bart, Marine, Central, good thing. Off the field. Goal kick for who? The mighty green a come garage. There it is, first half, find it up. That's no sweet, play the back up, Vida and Harlem Youth. Bobby for Javon, Mouse. Youth control the chain. Still guard got that up, Edgy, Balan, Fender, Devin, Serrano, Devin, Mariano, bring back the Mouse, Javon Mouse. Give her the whole 4 star. Give her the whole. Control.
Let's go.
What a pass. Javon Mouse. Big kick off the field. Bobby are trying to move. Silk gas, NG. Balance. Defending champion. Silk gas, NG. Balance. Silk gas, come garage. Goal kick. Throw. You might agree or come garage. First of it, he finished tonight. They got all right game. We don't make it a whole call to support the thing. They got Hopkins. Big up Graveyard. They got 500 for collect cash. And who are in the 3,000?
Big up all this village team. They bring all the fans that support the Colorado Stadium. They bring all the fans that support the Colorado Stadium. All the village team support the Colorado Stadium. I always see inside the playoff, the regular season, the semifinals. The village team, they're bringing fans that support the Colorado Stadium. I love you all. You know what I mean.
Yes, bro. One of here. Bobby for who? Silvergrass, big kick number 4. Silvergrass, NG, Malad, Silvergrass, NG, bring it back, cut, bring it back, Silvergrass, NG, breathe in, the general, breathe in, the general. Bring it back to what yet?
Find some space around now. Good bread, then find space around you.
When the girl go on Nigel, you know, Nigel. David. Bawal out the field for about 8, Bobby are trying for the mighty bring up Conquerors.
But darling Papi, this game is not no walk in the park for no team. This game right here, championship final, Ramos came on Thursday night, SCFA, Stampede Football Association. No walk in the park for Conquerors, no walk in the park for Silvergrass. But they ain't telling for beat the district, but we need a championship. You can see, no walk in the park. Two teams are playing smart.
Brilliant, Bird, two control, AJ walk the stereo. We don't have to defend. Big kick for the win. Pass
That's the way he do.
Come on,
Why? Can't kick very good. But I saw big up past the yeah, to believe it. Nil. Big up Mariano, man. With first game inside. Penalty shootout. 14. Another game. Alright, now they're nil. Conquerors. Bro, it final like NBA player, bro. Ease up. Ease up, Conquerors. Ease up, Silvergrass.
One love, guys. Ease up.
Yes, we want to thank our sponsor, Jubilee Foundation Football Federation, I believe. West Track. We want to thank Rude Boy. West Track and Rude Boy for bringing this broadcast live into your living room. Big up yourself, Rude Boy. Big up yourself, West Track. Thank you very much. Jubilee Foundation, Miss Yolanda, thank you very much for supporting this live tonight alongside the youngest MC. He's from the city, he's from Belmont. He's from the 3K match. Are you from the 3K match? Wings Police versus 7 Miles. So you will see our youngest MC. So we're going to go over there. Make sure you give us security.
Back him up.
We want security for our youngest MC. We also want 5-star hotel for you. Hotels you want, copy.
Too bad, girl.
You want?
3 bad girl.
Okay, what are the race? 3K match, commentator 2026. Special security for you. You want food?
And we want 5-star hotel.
And 3 bad girl.
And how much?
3 bad girl.
How much, Paki?
3 bad girl.
No, we're not going to promote that, Paki. We're commenting right now. You're live on 91.7 FM Garfield radio station. We don't want to hear that. All the girls down here.
Let's go.
On the attack once again now, but defending white like by Fato. Yes, he's a young defender for the bigger conquerors. Paki, there's no such thing as bad girl. All the girls out here are good. All of them are good. Yes. I'll never want to hear yourself again, Paki. All the ladies out here from Briga, they're good. Every single one of them, they're good. Once again, we're live action alongside attack them, conquerors. The conquerors, those are the back channel, and Chata. You gotta try those, brother. You gotta try those. Go win games.
First shot as a conqueror stick.
Yeah, Montes, pick up yourself, Montes. Montes from Harlem, pick up yourself.
Where is Hingit? Where is Hingit?
Where is Hingit? Where is Hingit, young phenom? Hingit, young phenom, so you know how much he'll do.
Half time.
I'll be here for the man in the middle. Alexander the World Long, everybody. Good night for the camera. Was Stadium. Second game championship final. Half time. 0-0. Silvergrass Ball 0. Easy investment. Grasso Brilliant Conqueror 0. It's the finals. It's the final line. On Route to Song DJ Buzu. Are you ready for more sweet pain? Are you ready for some pain? Want some warm-up pain? Are you ready? Get your drink, get your snacks. Marvin Rugged, the big bad. I'm on the mainland. After mainland Sunday. Aye. Are you ready? Sweet pain. Downstairs. Sweet pain, man. Take it away.
You know, sir, ladies and gentlemen, we don't want back Packy is getting he's getting the one good girl. He's not getting any bad girls. We don't promote bad girls. All the girls out here are good. Griga girls are good. All right. Bamapan girls, I don't know. They are good too. But Packy, no, we promote goodness and positivity. He's only getting one. He can't handle three because he have a little asthma. He got a little. Correct, so we're not going to promote that. Alright? Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen, but we're going to be right back.